Welcome to Cukmekerb's coding class. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Keymaster JavaScript library to make your own keyboard shortcuts. So, what you can do is, I made one that is Command-Shift-Enter, or if you're not on a Mac, Control-Shift-Enter. So, Command-Shift-Enter, and it just says Hello World in an alert box, but you can make it do anything. Any JavaScript command can be run from here when you do the keyboard shortcut. So, I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's get started. Alright, so to get started, pop open your text editor or whatever you prefer to use to write HTML. And the first thing you're going to want to do is make a doctype tag, as usual. !doctype HTML. And then on the next line, you are going to create a script tag. Script src equals, and in quotes, paste in the link to the library, which I'll put in the description. And I'm also going to type out right now. http://madrobbie.github.io/keymaster.js. Close quotes, and /script to close the script tag. Now, on the next line, open another script tag. Script. And now, call the function key. Key, open parentheses, open quotes, and then in here you put in whatever you want the command to be. So I'm going to make mine Control-Shift-Enter, or on Mac, Command-Shift-Enter. So to do that, type CTRL plus Shift plus Enter, or for a Mac, comma, space, Command, gotta type it out, plus Shift plus Enter. And by the way, this will work with almost every key on the keyboard. There's a list of all the keys it's compatible with in the documentation, which I'll also put a link to in the description. Close quotes, comma, space, function, open parentheses, close parentheses, open curly braces, and then here you will put whatever you want to happen when this command is executed. So I'm just going to type alert, open parentheses, open quotes, Control-Shift-Enter, and close quotes, close parentheses, close curly braces, and you're probably going to want to put a semicolon in it, so I'm doing that. Close parentheses for all the way over there, semicolon, and you can do this for as many keyboard commands as you want, and you can put any JavaScript inside of this function right here. So you can make it run any JavaScript code when any combination of keys on the keyboard is pressed. But I'm just going to leave it at that. /script to close up that script tag, and that's all you need. So, save that file. I'm going to call it keymaster.html. Save. Now, pop open your browser. And drag the file into your new tab. And this is just a blank page because we didn't really do anything with the HTML. You can. And I'm going to press Command-Shift-Enter. And there you go. It says Control-Shift-Enter. And if you're on a Windows or Linux computer, this will work if you press the Control key as well, because we put a comma. So it'll work with Control. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, buy my merch, and remember to put your jacket on.